have to fix this mess. Come along with me to get my hair done. Well, this is not what the vlog is about, but then I don't know, I'm going to get my hair done. Second semester is about to begin. It has already begun today, and I want to get my hair done for the semester. Yeah, I wanted the student to do my hair for me, but then I don't know, I just want to get it done before the whole school thing starts, so that I don't get stressed, because the kind of hair I want to do is like 24-hour thing, like the whole day. Do you understand? Yep. So I have to fix this mess.
More coming.
Yeah, I have to fix it. So I'm going to wash my hair now. Then I don't have lights. I would have blow dried it before I go, but I'll just wash it and then I'll go. So come along with me, guys. So this was after I finished washing my hair. I did it off camera so you guys didn't see the whole thing. So after that, I added my leave-in conditioner to the hair to make it softer, and then I added my hair oil too. Now, after adding everything to my hair, I started combing it to detangle the whole thing before it's ready to be braided. And trust me, my hair shrinks so much. It looks so little here, but then when it's being stretched, it's more than it actually looks now. And since I knew I was going to take long at the salon, I packed some snack into my bag, and then I took some other things I would need, like my purse and then the rest. And yeah. And I didn't forget to take my umbrella, because you just can't predict Ghana's weather. And since I couldn't take breakfast, I ate some bananas for energy, because I knew I was going to sit in the salon for a very long time, so I had to put something in my stomach. And after I was done with everything, I left to the salon. I couldn't record some parts because my phone went off. So here I was at the salon. They had stretched my hair and then they started braiding. I was going in for mini twists, so it was going to take some time. So at the beginning we started with 2 hairdressers, but later became one because the other one had to take care of another person. So I was taking water breaks in between and took some snacks too, because as I said, I was going to sit for long, so I was getting hungry. Then she continued braiding, and I think at this point we were like 4 hours into the hair. So she got to the middle part and then she did the pattern, as you can see, and we continued from there. And believe me, I was so tired at this point, sitting for over 4 hours just to get my hair done. So when we got here, we were done and it was raining too. So she finished the whole thing and this was the finished look. Because of the rain, I think I had to wait for some time before I got out. Even though I had an umbrella, I knew the rain was going to beat me. So when I got out, I got a church roll and then I went straight to my hostel. Looking at the way I'm running, you should know how the rain was beating me. So I got into the room and I wanted to show you guys the hair small, but then I'm going to show you a proper review the next day. So it's the next day, guys, and I have to get ready for the day. It's a Sunday, and so I had to be a bit productive. So I brushed my teeth, and after brushing I went ahead to make my breakfast because I had some laundry to do, so I had to eat first. Then I packed my stuff for the laundry, then I went to the laundry area to wash. After I got the water ready and everything, I started washing, and unfortunately when I started, something happened. I realized one of my clothes was changing color, like it was making the water black. My enemies are going to say that I don't know how to wash, but that is false. It was a mistake. I think I wasn't supposed to add it or something yet. But then, mind you, I separated the colors before, so I don't know what happened. I washed them separately, then I dried them before I continued with the other clothes. And I just love the way I'm washing. It's making me look like a serious person. Well, I am a serious person, but it's making me look more serious. So after the first wash, I continue with the second. Then I went ahead to dry. So first wash, second wash, then I dry them. I rinse and dry them. Since I'm drying my jeans, then it means that I'm almost done, because I usually wash my jeans and my bed sheets last. So I'm done washing and drying the things. So after I was done drying the things, I poured the dirty water away, washed my buckets, and then I went back to my room. So when I got back to the room, I packed the clothes I had on my bed to where they were supposed to be. Then I laid my bed. And since I had braided my hair, I had to say bye-bye to my wig. So I packed them and I put them somewhere. And then I arranged my cosmetics and then the products I use for my hair too. So basically, I'm cleaning the entire room. I then moved to the study table and then cleared the place up. And I had some dishes I had to wash, so I took them to the kitchen and I washed them. I now did a final cleanup on my study table. My roommate had already swept the room, so I didn't sweep. I just picked some dirt I had made, and that was all. And now this was the last thing I had to do. I had to arrange the clothes I had hung by the wardrobe and hang the bags as well. And voila, my room is finally clean and ready to start the second semester. And with the way I had tidied the place up, I knew I was the only untidy thing left, so I couldn't even sit on my bed. I had to sit on the floor and then use my laptop. But since we had meetings, I started preparing for meetings. So I took my bath after, and then I started ironing my dress, the dress you guys saw earlier. I deliberately wore this dress because I had a matching footwear and a matching scrunchie for my hair to match the dress. I just wanted to match colors. Finally, the moment you all have been waiting for. I've been doing voiceovers for like some time now, so I've not really had a chance to speak to you guys like this. But now it's time to review my hair, and I just showed you guys like the whole hair like tied, but now I'm going to release it. I have meetings, as I said earlier. I'm done dressing up, so I have to fix my hair, but I have to show you guys the hair first. So this is the mini twist I got. Yeah. Oh no, I've not untied. Let me untie. Honestly, this isn't what I wanted. I didn't think it would be this. Unfortunately, the video stopped recording, so I couldn't capture what I wanted to say. So I was saying that I didn't think my hair would be this small. I wanted mini twist, but this one looks like micro twist. Yeah, but then I think it's fine. I like it. So the whole hair costs about 220 cedis with extensions and everything. If I'm just saying this, if you want to get something similar, you should know what you're going for. So at this point, I finished styling my hair. This is how I wanted to style it, something simple. And you guys can see the matching scrunchie I was talking about. I had some little edges I wanted to do, so I did that, and I think that was all. You guys should let me know in the comment section if you want me to make videos on how to style your mini twist, because I'll be willing to do that. So this was my whole look, very simple and clean, and now it's time to leave. So after I came back from meetings, I undressed, and then I folded and packed the clothes I washed. I actually removed them from the drying line before I went for meetings. finally done with everything, and this was the last thing I had to do. Since I knew lectures were going to begin the next day, I had to sort of prepare myself. I had to draw my timetable and go through my courses, like know the courses I'll be doing and a whole lot. So that was what I was doing. Guys, this was how productive I was to prepare myself for the second semester. I really enjoyed making this video, guys, and I hope you also enjoy watching it as well. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Leave a comment. You guys don't leave a comment, so I don't really know how you guys feel about my videos. So kindly leave a comment and share the video as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.